Hello, everybody. My name is Eric Jones, and I'm going to have a quick short presentation over protecting students and environments amongst schools in today's modern day society. A quick introduction, all right? The key to success in schools is protecting our students. Um, if we don't protect them, then they're at risk for seeing harmful, negative things that will affect their learning for years to come and also affect them in more ways than one, especially mentally, maybe physically, and so on. Kids are exposed to all sorts of things on a regular daily basis in our real world. Um, it can come from the internet, which I'm going to talk about today, but it can also come from other things amongst our communities. And it's a factor that we have to learn about and, try to figure out as we go on. Um, a big question that we're going to talk about is how can we help protect and foster student development throughout their process of schooling, especially related towards the technological aspect. And also, in addition, we're going to take a quick look at learning environments and how they stimulate much of the growth for our students, and that any measures we take in terms of protecting them from online access will help them grow for years to come. So, cybersecurity, guys, quick things. Schools, school districts, they face a multitude of challenges on a daily basis in terms of the hazards that are in front of them. All right. So this little quick clip here or quick post shows that, people are always going to try to attack you no matter what. And in terms of cyberspace, yes, they're always going to do something to try to, attack something. We see it in our modern day elections today, and we see it in our schools as well. But the key thing is in the school system, we have some backups. We have some ideas. We have some programs. We have software that make it easier to protect our schools and our security network. My school, for instance, has a mainframe. We have 3 different technological persons on staff constantly working, modifying, trying to make sure that things that weren't banned or you couldn't get to are banned. Software is up to date, okay? Because schools are an easy target, okay? And we suffer from many of these problems. The main problems, especially, are getting to student records, maybe hacking school operations, shutting programs down. Student data could get misused, phishing, maybe the corruption and the security systems will screw everything up. And then another thing that a lot of people don't talk about today is ransomware and extorting people for basically money reasons. Okay. Now, cyberbullying is another aspect that we see, okay, and it's basically bullying through the internet, as this quote says right here, done through anything from cell phones, computers, to tablets, to anything you can find that you can get yourself on the internet, okay? Most common places, social media, okay, you guys all know those ones, text messaging, instant messaging, online forums, chat rooms, email, online gaming communities, etc. They're all factors that are harmful for our kids. In schools, kids are often affected for many reasons. While basically we think most of these occur outside, well, they actually spill over in the classroom, and it can affect kids. For instance, myself, when I was in high school, I had a classmate that committed suicide because of cyberbullying spilled into the classroom. Okay. And it is our responsibility as educators to monitor programs, monitor what kids are doing, and ensure that they're not using certain things in school that can affect another kid in a negative way. Now, all of these have an effective look at our learning environment. So students need to use technology in the right way. We have all these programs in place so that they know that they can use it in the right way. They can value each learning environment, and they can move on successfully throughout the rest of their career using technology as a benefit and not a negative, okay? And it can be used in a multitude of ways here on this nice little chart, but basically that they're going above and beyond outside of the classroom. Here are my references, and I thank you for staying tuned to my presentation here.